VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, they color our world. VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, let's sing it again. V is for violin, 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 playing music so sweet. Its strings sing a melody that makes hearts beat. E is for vase, 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 holding flowers with care. A touch of beauty placed anywhere. V is for van, 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 driving along the road, carrying things in its heavy load. V is for vegetable, 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 healthy and green, giving us strength, keeping us lean. V is for valley, 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 nestled between the hills, a peaceful place with streams and thrills. VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, they color our world. VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, let's sing it again. W is for watermelon, 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 juicy and sweet, a summer treat we love to eat. W is for whale, 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 swimming in the deep, a gentle giant in the oceans it leaves. Is for wind, 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 blowing through the trees, whispering softly with a cool summer breeze. Is for wolf, 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 howling in the night, a wild and free creature under the moonlight light. W is for wings, 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 lifting birds to the sky, soaring high where dreams can fly. VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, they color our world. VWX, these are magical letters. VWX, let's sing it again. X is for Vandervool, 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 a colorful instrument to play. Its joyful notes brighten up our day. X is for X-ray, 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 looking deep inside, helping doctors heal us with skill and pride. X is for Xenops, 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 a bird so small and rare,